So a quick look into UK 100. We have not checked what's going on with UK 100, but we have decided that we are going to look into all the heavy index listed in the stock exchange, listed in the New York Exchange, Tokyo Exchange, London Exchange. We are going to look at cream de la cream, who is the biggest. So we are going to check all the biggest index and henceforth further our fundamental analysis into seeing the performance of the who is who in each region to diversify our knowledge portfolio. Shall be FS Hub, UK 100. So you don't need to be in UK to start ripping UK apart. You can trade UK 100, the biggest index listed in London Stock Exchange. A lot of people do not know that my research in UK 100 says is the largest, most liquid company listed in London Stock Exchange. These companies are cream de la cream in UK corporate world. In fact, if you work in any of those companies, you can go about bragging that you have a good job. You can go about bragging. Imagine you being a shell staff or working at AstraZeneca or HSBC or Unilever, UK. You are a big boy now, so you can go about boasting you have a good job. If you lose that job, it will look like your village people are chasing you. You know when you have a big job like this, it's like the world has come to your foot. You just have to know that corporate jobs come and go. You know, a lot of things can happen: corporate acquisition, bankruptcy, and so many other things. One bad move of a big corporate firm, one acquisition, something can lead to it. So let's not go into that. So we're looking at UK 100, UK 100 top 100 listed companies in London Stock Exchange. They are cream that are cream. They are the big guys in the UK market. They move the market. So every time the monetary policy teams are making monetary decisions, they also look at the data coming out from these big firms. The Bank of England are more concerned with data. So they will always want to leverage on delta. So let's look at this quickly and we have our supply roof and our demand floor. These are the supply roof and we have our demand floor. Shortly after that is our supply roof and we have our demand floor. So these are demand floor. So you can see what made a demand flow after break of structure in 1993. This monthly time frame. They hire the time frame, declare the bias. That's the problem. They hire the time frame, declare the bias. So if you want a clear directional bias, you stay on the higher time frame to make your charts. You know, though the liquidity movement on the higher time frame is very, very small, you don't feel it, but you stay clear. See, from the roof, we have price updating the roof in 2000. Shortly after that, we had another retest in 2017, another move into 2018, and we had another move into April and March 2023 before a break of structure and price came back on retest 1, retest 2 in August and in February 2025. Sorry, and we had a return, whereas we're seeing here a monthly January 2025 price came back to retest a broken supply roof. A broken supply roof on a higher time frame will most likely become a demand floor. And we have seen that uptick in price where UK 100 is showing a significant push, indicating that the top firms under UK 100, the first 100 companies listed in that exchange, are really doing well. So UK 100 have a lot of companies inside, but we know that for sure the top companies will always be Shell, HSBC, Unilever, and AstraZeneca. So these are the big guys in the index, and we have here a mid-section price action where price created a demand floor, break of a demand floor retest, break of a supply roof after test of supply roof, price return on demand floor 1, demand floor 2, break of a demand floor becomes a supply roof, and price is trading under supply. So UK 100 is coming to a sell zone So don't be quick to invest yet. Don't be quick. Allow price to go back to supply route. Then if price sell down, then you go long. The market is already bullish. On a monthly time frame, this is bullish. In fact, we started a bullish move from 2020, from the year 2000. 1999, 2000. From 2000, we had a strong bearish drop. After that bearish drop, price have picked up and we are seeing a significant push in UK100. So now we have a break of structure, break of a supply route becomes a demand floor, indicating a more bullish day to come. So what we see here is a continuous surge in the value of UK100. And look at that price action. Look at that price action. Look at that price action. Come on. Can you see that price action? Demand floor one, demand floor two, demand floor three, boom, and price is gone up. Very clean price action. Very, very clean. Look at that price action. Very clean price action. You see that structure at that level. That's a that's a break of structure at that level. In fact, let me put it the way it is. What it actually is we have here a supply roof. This is what it is, a supply roof and a breakout of a supply roof and price came back to retest, but that retest didn't come exactly. So instead of doing that, price now decided to stop at this zone. So this is the zone. So most time you see when we are plotting our trend, you must create a supply, uh, you must create a zone. The idea behind creating a zone is to allow price to get into your point of entry. POE. If you don't have a zone in your trend line, you could see yourself not being part of the rally. So after the price first retest and a continuous upswing after break of structure, and the price failed to dip in completely into the body of a broken supply roof, making it a demand floor, that is the time you should create a zone. So you must create a zone. So on this zone, whenever price falls into the zone, it's a buy. So if in the future price decide to return back into this zone, it's also a buy. If you return into this zone, it's a buy because we have a breakout of a supply roof. A breakout of a supply roof becomes a demand floor. So we also have an ascending trend line which we must also keep active, believing that in the future, which is going to take a whole lot of time for price to return here because these are monthly candles. So we need a very strong fundamental analysis to push price into this zone. Otherwise, the market will continue to be bullish. And we look at it again from another perspective. We have another trend line at this level, backing our bias that UK 100 is still very much bullish, and we continue to see a surge in the performance, economic performance, profitability of the top 200 companies listed in the London Stock Exchange. So we see the market is in trend, and this is an uptrend starting from the year 2000. You can see a significant push in price, and that significant push in price will continue. Will continue to see a surge in UK 100. So this is what we see on technical, and I see that UK 100 have created a very strong demand floor. We have here demand floor, we have here demand floor, we have here demand floor, we have here demand floor. Price return in January and is doing the same respecting the analysis, which is still bullish. So what I see here is a tap into this zone where we look for a potential sell opportunity for UK 100. So at this level, I want to see a sell because this remains and represents a supply room. So if price returns into this zone, feel free to sell UK 100. So if I apply my vertical route strategy, the month is almost come to an end. And let's look at it. If we are to come here by next month, your area of trigger where I expect a potential bearish reaction will be at this level where I want you to see if you might be looking at a sell for UK 100 at 9,267.05, sell UK 100 based on Shabby FS of strategy. So I've applied my vertical row strategy in advance so you can set your sell order either in your demo account or your real account. Let's see if a Shabby FS of strategy is applicable. Like here we have a structure, a demand floor break of demand floor. We have already explained that price return multiple returns to a supply roof, and we have price after break of a supply roof returns as a demand floor, critically moving to retest another strong area of supply where price have shown a strong price action You look at the stronger price action at this level, we have a price action at this level, and we have price action at this level. So on critical, price will return here, and then we're going to have a strong bearish drop. So it is nice application, very, very nice that we applied the Shabby SF strategy, and we see that UK100 is applicable, and the structure looks very clean. And we believe that this UK 100 will continue to upsurge. The trend is bullish after breakout from an ascending bullish channel. Price using the roof as a technical support for upswing. So we believe that the price will continue to uptrend. That's what we see based on the structure.